Good afternoon, students. Today's topic is the bitwise operator. Okay, so what is mean by bitwise operator? First of all, in C++, bitwise operator are used to perform operation on individual bits. It means its calculation is different, or it can calculate it by bit. Bits means 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now we can also know about the computer. The computer consists of only binary digits. Okay, we cannot understand your high level language, your source code. Okay, so the calculation, the arithmetic logical operation perform only bit by bit calculation. So now these operators helpful for calculating these bit operation. They can only be used along, a bitwise operator can only be used alongside char and int data type. Okay, this is very important. So we have detailed the bitwise operator explanation. Please click on bitwise operator from this link. Okay, so bitwise operator. In this tutorial, we will learn about bitwise operator in C++ with the help of example. Okay, so in C++, bitwise operator perform operation on integer data type at individual bit level. Okay, these operation including testing, setting, or shifting the actual bits. Okay, so please see the table. Here is a table. Operator consists of single, not logical operator consists of the double, means and double operator. It consists of double and double of, okay, and is not equals to. So in this operator, not logical not, yeah, or bitwise not, it cannot include it. Okay, so first is the bitwise and operator. This is the single operator, and it is also called as bitwise and operator. Please carefully listen and write down the bitwise operator. Okay, so now exam point of view, bitwise operator is very important, and little bit some difficult also. So examiner can also be asked separately for the 5 marks. Explain the bitwise operator in detail with the help of program. So it is very important. Okay. So first operator in this bitwise operator, it is bitwise and operator, not logical, and bitwise and operator. Then second, bitwise or operator. Its working is different from logical and other operator also, because it can be calculated by bit level. Okay, so the third is the bitwise XOR. Third operator is the bitwise XOR operator. Okay, and operator or bitwise and operator, bitwise or operator, XOR operator, it consists of its own logical table. Okay, following the logical table we are seeing. Okay, so the next is the bitwise complement operator. This is also called as the tilde operator, bitwise complement operator. Okay, fourth one is the bitwise complement operator, and fifth one is the bitwise shift left operator. This is called as bitwise shift left. This insertion operator, which is applicable on bitwise operator. That's why it comes that's why it can call the bitwise shift operator. Okay, and so sorry, and last one is the bitwise shift right operator, bitwise right shift operator, you can also say that. Okay, so these operators are necessary because the arithmetic logical unit is present in the computer. CPU carries out all arithmetic operation at the bit level. Okay, so this note is very important. Bitwise operator can only be used alongside char and inside char and in data type. Okay, so first one is the bitwise and operator. So this is the truth table. You can also you must write the this example and truth table also, because without the truth table you cannot find or you cannot judge or you cannot calculate the calculation. Okay, bitwise AND operator returns 1 if only if and only if both the operators are 1, मीन्स अगर दोनों भी कंडीशन 1 है मीन्स ट्रू है तो ही बिटवाइज एंड क्या आउटपुट क्या देगा 1 देगा, अदरवाइज इट रिटर्न्स 0. द फॉलोइंग टेबल demonstrate the working of bitwise AND operator. Let A and B the two operands that can only taken binary values. Okay, this is consist of binary value, not condition. Okay, please, the bitwise operator cannot consist of any condition. It consists of only the numbers. Okay, so these number converted it into binary number. So I'm explaining you in next lecture what we have converted in number into binary form. Okay, so in this lecture we have introductory information gives you. So this is the truth table. So A is the, this is the predefined truth table, not changes is there. Okay, so A equals to 0 0 1 1, B equals to 0 1 0 1 0. Each in binary in bitwise operator, each truth table consists of the two parameter and the fixed value of A and B, and any other variable is there, x y, but the value of first condition, first variable and second variable is fixed, do not change. Starting from 0, A consists of starting from 0 0 1 1 and B consists of 0 1 0 1 0. So these are the four condition which is applicable for every condition. Okay, so the first condition, please listen carefully. A equals to 0 and B equals to 0. Then A bitwise and A bitwise and B consists of 0. If suppose A equals to 0 and B equals to 1, it also consists of AND operator 0. Bitwise AND operator consists of 0. Then 1 and 0. A consists of 1 and B consists of 0. Then again it consists of 0. And bitwise AND operator gives the result 0. Okay, so A consists 1 and B consists 1. So again AND operator gives the final result is 1. Note that the table above, the above table is known as the truth table for the bitwise operator. Okay, so let's the example. This example I am giving you the detailed explanation of bitwise AND operator. So we discussed in next lecture. So the next we will see the next operator, that is C++ bitwise OR operator. Okay, the bitwise OR operator returns 1 if at least one of the operands is 1. This is same as your logical OR operator, but it does not consist of any condition. It consists of the number that you have to convert firstly in binary form, then it apply the logical truth table. Okay, so bitwise OR operator return 1 if at least one of the operands means A or B is 1. Otherwise it returns 0. At least one operand consists of one value, then it returns 0, then it returns the 0. Okay, so again I am repeating, the bitwise OR operator return 1 if at least one operand is 1, otherwise it returns 0. Okay, the following truth table demonstrates the working of bitwise operator. So consider, I am always saying that let A and B the two operands that can only taken binary values, that is 1 or 0. Okay, so this is the predefined truth table for OR bitwise OR